Hello everyone, I am back once again to help you out with a new tutorial video about how to delete your Splitwise account. If you are watching us for the first time, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new informative videos. So let's get started. First of all, we have to click on Splitwise app. After that, click on account. Next, you will see pencil-like structure above there. You have to click on that, which will lead you to account settings. You will see various options in account settings, from which you have to choose delete your account. While deleting your account, you have to enter your current password. After entering a password, click on delete your account. Now your account has been deleted. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for new videos. See you there. Bye bye.